Hello everyone, welcome to PCB classes. This is a lecture number 4, the subject Basic Electrical Engineering. In the previous lecture we have discussed about the Ohm's law, and somehow I will be continuing some part of the Ohm's law now also. Fine. So in the Ohm's law part we have discussed about the resistance, whereas the resistance which we are taking in the Ohm's law was the constant of proportionality from the mathematical formula or the mathematical equation. Now we'll discuss about the resistance. What is resistance? Resistance is basically the property of a material or conductor which opposes the flow of current is known as resistance. It's a property, right? And the electrical element which possesses this property is said to be the resistor. Fine. So resistor is an element, resistance is a property. Now how it is denoted? We already know about it. It's denoted as the R, whose unit is given in the ohms. It is also defined from the Ohm's law that it's a ratio of the voltage to the current. Fine. It is also defined in other way also with respect to the conductance. So it is said to be the reciprocal of the conductance also. Now, theoretically, how symbolically we represent the resistance. The resistance is symbolically represented as in this way, as shown in the figure. It looks like speed breaker, right? In a road, some speed breakers are there. Suddenly a car comes with a high speed, then definitely the car has to slow down its speed in order to cross this speed breaker. So speed breaker indicates what does the speed breaker does? The speed breaker opposes or reduces the speed of the car. Similarly, it has been taken from the speed breaker symbol, so the resistance is indicating that it opposes the flow of current. But practically what happens, we cannot know what is the resistance value. So in order to know the proper resistance value of a resistor, the manufacturer is using some color code or color band that is set to be the resistor color code. Fine. You can see in the figure here, right side you can see the figure, some color bands are there, and with respect to this color band some notations are there or some numeric values are there by which we can know the resistance value of the resistor. Fine. Moving to the next one. Types of resistor. Types of resistor, as per the basic electrical subject, we will be discussing two types of the resistor. One is 4-band resistor, 4-band color code resistor. Another is 5-band color code resistor. We'll see how it is. You can see the figure here. How many colors are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Let us take the first color code as A, B, C and D. So these are the 4 color code name I have given, A, B, C, D. Fine. Similarly for the 5-band color code resistor, what I'll say, this one A, B, C, D, E. Now we'll consider about the 4-band color code resistor. See here, the A and B, first A and B indicates the digit value of the resistance. Digit value of the resistance. And C indicates a multiplier value. We can know with the examples. In this class we will be discussing with the examples also. A, B will be representing the resistance digit value, whereas C will represent the multiplier value, where D is a tolerance band. Separately we will discuss about this tolerance band. Fine. This is the 4-band color code resistor. Value will be found out. For the 5-band, it's different. A, B and C, first 3 gives the digit value of the resistance, whereas D is the multiplier value, whereas E is a tolerance band, which we will be discussing separately. Fine. What to be noted? The major note we have to take that the 5-band color code resistor, which is having first 3 digit value. So it gives more accurate or more precision value than the 4-band color code register. So if 5-band color code register is there, that will give you the more precision value than the 4-band register. Fine. Now, what are the color codes? How to remember those color codes? What does it indicates? The entire thing we will discuss here. Color codes. What are the color codes the manufacturer is using? In order to understand or in order to remember the color code series, a technique I have given. Most probably you will get in every book. Fine. The technique is, you have to remember this one. B.B. Roy of Great Britain has a very good wife with gold and silver. Right? First one. First B indicates black. Second B indicates brown. R indicates red. O indicates orange. Y indicates yellow. G indicates green. B indicates blue. V indicates violet. G indicates grey. W indicates white. Whereas Z indicates gold. S, that is a silver part, S indicates silver. Fine. Another is colorless code is there. For that also we are taking. Fine. This gold, silver and colorless are taken only for the tolerance condition. So this is set of the tolerance band. The rest all will give you the digit value as well as the multiplier value. We will see in details with the example. Let us see here. The tabulation part. What does the color code indicates? What are the colors we have? Black, brown, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, grey, white. So in a sequence I will be giving the number. The first one is starting with the 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I have given the code as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The respective multiplier will be 10 to the power 0, 10 to the power 1 and so on till 10 to the power 9. Now see here, what I have given here, this is for A and B. A and B for 4-band is a digit value. Fine. Whereas multiplier is used for the C. So it is written as 10 to the power C. With the example you can understand very well. This is again the tolerance band, which is given as plus or minus 5% for gold, plus or minus 10% for silver. If no color is there, then it will be given as plus or minus 20%. As it is the 4-band color code for A, B and C, it is done. Fourth one gives the tolerance band value, that is for D. How the resistance value will be written? The resistance value is written as AB multiplied with 10 to the power C ohm. We will discuss this tolerance band separately. For the time being, you can remember the R value, resistance value will be AB into 10 to the power C ohms. Fine. Let us see with the example. You have to remember that one. Fine. Let us see an example. First one. How many color code? 4. 4 color code. The first one is red. Fine. Red. Second one is orange. Third one is black. Tolerance band we will discuss later on. For the time being, you forget about the tolerance band. A, B, C. First one is a red. First one will be the red. What is the code of the red? Red color code is 2. Fine. If you are getting confused, then you can see here. You can put this table lesson. See here. What is the code of the red? Code of the red is 2. Fine. So red code is 2. Similarly, orange. Next one is the orange. What is the code? 3. Fine. Next, C. C is black. Black, what is the color code? 0. Now what will be the R equivalent? How we will write down? R equivalent will be AB. In place of A you have to write down 2. In place of B you have to write down 3. And in place of C you have to put 0. So we are here. R equivalent will be written as 23 into 10 to the power 0, which means it is 23 into 1, that is 23 ohms. So this resistor value is 23 ohms. Fine. Moving to the next one. Again, this is how many color code? 4. Again it is 4. First one is brown. Next one is green. Third one is black. So what is the first one? First one is the brown. What is the color code? 1. Fine. Next one is green. So what is the color code here? 5. Fine. Next one is the black. Its color code is 0. So let us substitute the value. R equivalent will be AB, means 15 into 10 to the power 0. That comes 15 into 1, that is a 15 ohms. Fine. Another example we will do it. What is this? Again 4 color code. What is the first color? Red. Second color? Red. Third color? Red. So red code is 2. So for red it will be 2. For again red it will be 2. Again red it will be 2. Fine. We'll substitute it. So it will be 22 into 10 to the power 2. That means what? 2200 ohms, or we can write down that one as 2.2 kilo ohms. The value of the resistor is 2.2 kilo ohm. Fine. Another example. What is the first one? Orange. Second one, orange. Third one, brown. Respective color codes are orange. For the orange it is 3. Again 3. For the brown it is 1. So it is 33 into 10 to the power 1. So it gives rise to 330 ohms. Fine. If it is not clear, then you can go for the another example also. The first color code is blue. For blue, what is the color code? 6. For black, what is the color code? 0. For red, what is the color code? 2. So what it is? What's the value of the resistor? 60 into 10 to the power 2. So it gives rise to 60 into 100, that is 6000 ohms, or we can write down that one as 6 kilo ohms. Fine. This is all about the examples of the 4-band color coding of resistor. Clear? Moving to the next one. 5-band color coding. The same tabulation we will be following it. Nothing difference. But the thing is, we have to take 3-digit value. 3-digit value. The rest all things are same as a 4-band color coding. The codes will be same, but the formula will be different. What it will be? ABC into 10 to the power D. That is the value of the resistor. 5-band color coding resistor. We'll see with an example. Now on the left hand side, you can see here a resistor of 5-band color coding. What is the first color? Red. Second, orange. Third one, black. Fourth one, red. And the fifth one is a silver. That is the tolerance part. We will discuss it later. So for the red, what is the color code? It's 2. For the orange, what will be the color code? 3. For the black, it will be 0. For the red, it will be again 2. So what is the formula for the 5 band color coding? The formula is given as ABC into 10 to the power D. So we can replace the digit values, that is 230 into 10 to the power 2. So what is the value we are getting? It is 23,000. That is 23 kilo ohm. The value of this resistor, which is having the 5 band color code, its value is 23 kilo ohm. See on the right side. On the right side, we have another one. What is the first color? Red. Second one orange. Third one blue. Fourth one brown. Fine. So what will be the color code for the red? It's 2. For orange 3. For blue it is 6. For brown it is 1. So same formula, we'll substitute it. 236 into 10 to the power 1. That means 2360 ohms. If I'll write down in the kilo ohms, it will be 2.36 kilo ohm. This is how we are mentioning we are finding out the value of a resistor of a 5 band color code. Now, what is the difference I was saying? In the 4 color band, we are having 2 digits. Only first 2 digits. Fine. But we are getting a third digit in the 5 color band. So what happens here? We are getting an extra digit. That means the precision of the resistance increases in case of the 5 band color coding. Whereas in 4 band, the precision is bit less than the 5 band color coding. Fine. Now we'll see what is a tolerance band. What is the significance of the tolerance band? See here, we'll take the same example. Just now we have taken, that is a 23 ohm. The same example we will take it. Now see here, the fourth one we have taken the silver. Silver, if you will go back to the slides, for silver it is mentioned as 10%. What does it mean? It means that whatever the resistance value we are getting from the first 3 codes, that is 23 ohm, it will be added or deducted by 10%, which indicates the above resistor range of operation, range of the resistance in which it will be operating. We'll see in the detailed way. So 23 we have taken for the silver, it is 10%. So 10% of the 23 is 2.3 ohm. So we have taken 23 minus 2.3. One we are getting as 20.7 ohm. Another is 23 plus 2.3, that is 25.7 ohm. That means the range of resistance it works is from 20.7 ohm to 25.7 ohm. So the range of the resistance it is working is 20.7 ohm to 25.3 ohm. We can take another example also. We'll see another one. Clear? The same one. See here, the tolerance band is gold. For gold we are taking 5%. Fine. So what will be the R equivalent actually? 2360 plus or minus 5%. So what is that? For the 5% of the 2360, we are getting 118 ohms. So 2360 minus 118 equals to 2242 ohm. Another is by adding we are getting 2478 ohm. So what is the range of the resistance it is working? 2242 ohm to 2478 ohm. That is, if I write down in the kilo ohm, it will be 2.242 kilo ohm to 2.478 kilo ohm. So the range of the resistance it's working is 2.242 kilo ohm to 2.478 kilo ohm. This is how we are finding out the range of resistance value of the particular resistor. So the tolerance band, what is the significance of the tolerance band? The tolerance band gives a range of the resistance value under which the resistor will be working. Fine. This is all about the lecture number 4, that we have discussed about the color band of the resistor. The rest we will discuss in the next lecture. Thank you.